Windows 11 feels slow and bloated? In the next 3 minutes, you'll safely debloat it, reduce startup clutter, turn off Windows ads, and run a clean repair, no registry, no sketchy scripts. First, create a restore point. This is your undo button. Click Start. Type, create a restore point. Open it. Select your system drive, usually C. Click Create. Name it before Debloat and click Create again. Wait for the confirmation message, then close the window. Now, disable Startup Apps. This is one of the biggest feel upgrades. Press Ctrl-Shift and Escape together to open Task Manager. On the left, open Startup Apps. If you don't see the left menu, click the menu icon to expand it. Disable anything you don't need the second Windows boots, chat apps, game launchers, update helpers, and the others you don't use. Right-click an app and click Disable. Repeat for a few items. Now remove Windows ads and nagging. Click Start. Type Settings. Open it. Click Personalization. Click Start. Turn off. Show recommendations for tips, shortcuts, new apps, and more. Also turn off. Show account-related notifications. On the left menu, click System. Click Notifications. Scroll down and open Additional Settings. Turn off. Suggest ways to get the most out of Windows, and get tips and suggestions when using Windows. On the left menu, click Privacy and Security. Click General and turn off the switches related to personalized ads and suggested content. Goal: fewer ads, fewer prompts, less background noise. If you don't use widgets, turn them off. Right-click the taskbar. Click Taskbar Settings. Turn widgets to off. This step is optional, but it helps keep the system clean. Go to Settings, Apps, Installed Apps. Sort by size so you can see what actually takes space. Uninstall only obvious common bloat you don't use. Examples many PCs have: Clipchamp, Xbox apps if you don't game, and any trial antivirus or PC optimizer software like McAfee Trial or Norton Trial. To remove an app, click the 3 dots, Uninstall, Confirm. Now the satisfying part: safe command line, cleanup. Right-click Start, Open Terminal, Admin. Run these 3 commands in this exact order. Copy, paste, press Enter, and let each one finish. It will take some time. Do not cancel, it will worth it. This cleans old update components and can free space. This checks and repairs the Windows image. This scans and repairs system files. Let it reach 100%. When all 3 are done, restart your PC. That's your safe Windows 11 debloat. Fewer startup processes, less Windows advertising, optional bloat removal, and a clean repair pass. If you want Part 2 with advanced but still safe tweaks, comment Part 2.